Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. So today we are going to compare Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus to the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. They both have a lot of similarities and are the top phones available in the market right now. But let's compare and see which one comes out to be the better one. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus comes with a screen to body ratio of 84% and Note 8 with 83%. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has a display of 6.2 inches and Note 8 has a display of 6.3 inches. Processor. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is powered by Snapdragon 845 whereas Note 8 is powered by Snapdragon 835, and Samsung Galaxy S9's processor is way faster and efficient than Note 8. So it may have a better battery life and efficiency as compared to Note 8's processor. Camera. Both of these devices come with a dual camera setup, but S9 does have an edge here, as it is the first phone with dual aperture lens that can change its aperture according to the light conditions. S9 Plus also comes with that super slow-mo that can record up to 960 frames per second. Storage and RAM. Both of these devices does come with 64 gigs base model and 6 gigs of RAM. But the Samsung Galaxy S9 does have an edge here on expandable storage, as it supports up to 400 gigs of expandable memory. Battery. Note 8 does come with a smaller battery, that is 3300 mAh, because of what happened last year to its predecessor Note 7, and whereas the S9 Plus comes with a larger 3500 mAh battery, which will surely make a difference because of the improved processor efficiency. Extra features. Samsung Galaxy Note 8 does come with the S Pen and adds some extra functionality to your daily driver if you are into that kind of stuff. But Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus does not have anything like that. Price, the most important factor. S9 Plus has a price of $840, whereas the Note 8 has a price of $900. So this was the comparison between S9 Plus and Note 8. They both are great devices when it comes to buying one of them. That case will be, if you want that S Pen, go with Note 8, but in overall performance S9 does come up as compared to Note 8. Or if you are currently using a Note 8 having a confusion to upgrade or not, I would highly recommend you to wait for the next big thing by the Korean giant, that is the Note 9, which is coming out this September. If you like this video, please share it and hit that subscribe button for daily tech videos. So that's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Till then, peace out.